Good morning. I'm still alive. We're having breakfast in my truck. We're having eggs with some cheese. It's cold and rainy. I've got my fan going. I have the 12-volt electric blanket plugged in. There's my refrigerator. I still don't have that turned on. It's so freaking cold here. I am still not back out. I'm still in Joyzy, planning my escape. Cooking on my new gas one. Anyway, I'm still alive. Thought I'd check in. The truck had a new intake manifold put on and it's still running a little rough, so my son-in-law is working on that for me. But he's, full-time, active duty, so gotta wait till he has the time. But just a brief outline. Got my sleeping bag, 12 volts underneath these blankets. Got the fan going. And I'm gonna have me some breakfast. So hope you guys are all being safe out there. Just wanted to check in and say hola. And I wanted to say peace, love, and understanding. And y'all take care of yourselves out there.